On March 11, 2021, Mike Winkelmann, commonly known as Beeple, sold his digital artwork at Christie's for a staggering $69 million. So, what are NFTs? How can you buy them? And what does it stand for? It stands for Non-Fungible Token. I don't think it makes it any clearer. So, fungible means that it is interchangeable. You can exchange a $10 bill for two $5 bills or another $10 bill, but you can't change a NFT for another because it's not the same. Non-fungible more or less means that it's unique and can't be replaced with something else. A non-fungible token is a unit of data stored on a digital ledger called a blockchain that certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. NFTs can be used to represent items such as photos, videos, audio, and other type of digital file. How do NFTs work? At a very high level, most NFTs are part of the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum is a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but its blockchain also supports these NFTs, which store extra information that makes them work differently from, say, an ETH coin. Hey, and if you like the video so far, a like and a sub would be really appreciated. And if you want me to make any videos on a topic, share your ideas in the comment section. How to buy NFTs? If you're keen to start your own NFT collection, you'll need to acquire some key items. First, you'll need a digital wallet that allows you to store NFTs and cryptocurrencies. You'll likely need to purchase some cryptocurrency like Ether depending on what currencies your NFT provider accepts. You can buy crypto using a credit card on platforms like Coinbase and PayPal and even Robinhood now. You'll then be able to move it from the exchange to the wallet of your choice. There are many marketplaces for NFTs such as Foundation, Rarible, and OpenSea.io. Note that I don't stand by anything and I am only stating popular marketplaces. So that's it. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and see you in the next one.